what this video is I need something to sit on. I'm setting up the Pittsburgh Pneumatic Roller Seat from Harbor Freight. I have one of these at my house. I'm just moving into this garage. The floor's a mess, I know, but I mean, I went to war. This had sheetrock on it a couple days ago, and now I ran electric wires. I'm about to put insulation and then put the sheetrock back on. But I need a chair for here. It's probably gonna take about a month and a half to 2 months before I move all my stuff here. So I'm gonna keep the chair that I have there at my other house, and then I want one for here, so I'm gonna have 2 shops. So first thing first, let's open this up and see what tools I need, because I don't remember what the little nuts are there. Thinking they gotta be about 10 millimeters or something. But we'll open up and we'll find out. This is a very easy to assemble seat. Now, I haven't had any problems with the one that I have. A lot of people in the comments on Harbor Freight's site complain about this being, the welds not being strong under the seat and breaking. The one I have, the welds have held. They don't look too bad here. We'll see, but I don't know what they're doing on the seat. It's got 4 welds on it. We'll see how it holds up. And I'm not even sure how much putting it together there really is here, as it looks like it's already assembled. Just about. Yeah, so, okay, I didn't have to put the casters on. What I will say is that these do get looser over time, that these bearings and gunk gets in them, and you get a lot more play on the wheel. But I haven't had any of my wheels break on the other one. It's nice to see what it was like when it was brand new. That is tighter, so this does loosen up. Guys have complaints about it doesn't, I guess on uneven surfaces, it doesn't roll easy. But for me, I really don't care. I have a feeling that this is just gonna be like a gravity thing. Once my heavy weight goes on it, then that's gonna be it. It shouldn't come back out. I have a feeling it's already locked. All right, now. Yep, look at that. Oh, we just assembled the chair. And it's at the low position, so it's, oh, we didn't assemble it. Because it still comes off. So I did something wrong here. Let's see. Okay, now that's how it comes up, because this is gonna hit the lever. So we got it to go up. Now it's all attached. And this piece comes down and just locks itself in place. There's not much to it. Even this, the welds don't look like they're the end of the world, but I have noticed on some of my Harbor Freight videos, like for the hand truck I did, a lot of guys complain that the wheels are busted. I'm still using my Blue Bigfoot hand truck, but a lot of people have complained about it. And even on Harbor Freight's site, they're saying that the thing breaks, the welds are no good. So that seems to be a common complaint. What does it say? Let's just make sure I put it together correctly. So, well, yeah, no, it's easy for me to show you, and then I'll sit on it. So, to assemble, okay, here's the big assembly instructions. Place tool tray E on a flat surface. Insert the large end of lifting pole into the opening. We did that, check. Place the seat assembly A over the top of the lifting pole D. Once the seat is assembled, press down in a controlled, firm manner on the cushion to press the parts together. Make sure seat is properly and firmly assembled before use. So, now the last and final test. Oh, I've been working all day. So for the last and final test. Oh wow, this is what the cushion once felt like. I will say one thing. The cushion, after, I think I've had mine for almost 3 years now. After 3 years, it's not this soft anymore. It's still a nice chair. I still use it all the time. But this actually, the cushion's still brand new. Now, what I like is I actually just use it at a desk mostly. Like while I'm doing the wiring and stuff, I can go back and forth. If I want to do an outlet, I can hook my wires up to the outlet real fast. So I mean, I'm not sure what guys are doing if they're busting the seat off, because and I got a little hump I'm going over. I have no fear of this seat breaking off. I mean, seems solid. I don't feel any play where the things are welded together. If you need a seat, this is a good seat. At least I feel that way. Decide on your own. Don't buy it just because I say to, because there are some negative reviews on it about the welds breaking, but I'm noticing it is a common thing with Harbor Freight. I feel that it's hit or miss, I guess, because like I said, with the Bigfoot, my wheels are perfect, but yet I know many people, my job, we had one of them at my job and the wheel busted. Then there's a lot of people who commented on my video and they had wheels break. So I mean, I'm not gonna say if you buy this seat, it's gonna be the best thing ever. But I will say, I've had good luck with this seat. That's all I can tell you. I'm not gonna tell you that, you know what, this is the sure thing. This is the cream of the crop. There's nothing better. I don't know what's better out there. This is what I have. This is what I use. And now I have two of them. Because I wanted one for here, because I'm doing outlets and stuff, and it's all, I mean, come on, look at the level of where I'm setting stuff up here. I figured this would just make things easier while I'm setting this up. For the sheetrocking and stuff like that, this is probably going to be useless. But now I'm also got a lot of rooms to paint all throughout the whole house. I got a lot of work to do. And I am going to be setting up a small little workbench in here. And my tool chest will be here. I'm going to be hooking up, like right now, I was going to put a 220 outlet over there. Instead, this is going to go for another central AC system. I already got one. I'm going to put two, one first floor, one second floor. But then also, on the wall, right over here, I figure, instead of me buying more wire, because where the breaker panel is, you go to the corner and then all the way to the other side of the house. So I don't have enough wire to get it back over into this section. The central air conditioner, the first one comes down there and it's right there. So I figure the second one, somewhere around here, I pop the hole out, go outside, and then right there, I'll have my disconnect. But I'm also thinking for the 220, I'm still trying to figure what the best approach. Because yes, I know it's plug-in, so therefore I shouldn't need a disconnect. But what happens if I get that oh shit moment and I feel like just pulling that disconnect out before something happens? But I don't know, just maybe a second form of safety, like a fuse disconnect here, so it blows here instead of me having to go all the way down to the breaker, just to reset it. I'll know that like the fuse just blew. Well, till next time, guys, I'm out.